marks proud and happy feeling for us to open BNCC India. In this occasion, we have demonstrated a lot of technology and solutions. Coming forward in the future, we are going to demonstrate and provide solutions through our center to all our customers. And we sincerely thank all of our customers for visiting and also cherishing these moments.
One of the uniqueness of Blaser Swisslube is a technology center in Switzerland, where we have application engineers who always try to dive deeper into the machining process. And you can see from this case study, which is printed here, we always try to look at the impact on the tool wear and cutting performance which we are able to deliver with the formulations, technologies, and also the application engineering know-how.
Wohlhaupter together, it's joint collaboration for the new technologies, digital solutions with a 1 micron least count. Comes to the Bloom, it's a global set benchmark on the precision measuring and laser measuring systems and accurate inspection methods. So jointly we are having 86 class productivity and world class manufacturing systems.
Having a very good relationship with the Bloom team for the innovation, and also for future we have planning for the many innovations together. We have kept our machines in their technology center for their future training purpose.
I am happy to congratulate again because we as SolidCAM also has been a partner for Blum for their future business and for our business also.
We as a REGO-FIX group are grateful to be partnering with Blum-Novotest team, showcasing our power grip tool holding technology in all the machines with the different controllers. We as a REGO-FIX group with our flagship product Power Grip have showcased our power grip clamping unit 9500 in the tech center.